वन। आज की क्लास में हम इलेक्ट्रोफिलिक एंड न्यूक्लियोफिलिक एडिशन रिएक्शन के बारे में पढ़ेंगे। व्हाट इज इलेक्ट्रोफिलिक एडिशन रिएक्शन? Electrophilic addition reaction is a class of organic reaction where a double or triple bond in a chemical compound is broken and results in the formation of two new sigma bonds. अब हम इलेक्ट्रोफिलिक एडिशन रिएक्शन को एक एग्जाम्पल से देखेंगे। Let us take one alkene. This is alkene. Now, when this is treated with HX, alkene can be written like this format. One carbon will get negative charge, another carbon will get positive charge. And HX can be written in this form. H will be H plus and X will be X negative. Now H plus will go to that carbon which has negative charge and X negative will go to that carbon which has positive charge. So new compound will be this alkyl halide. Instead of this alkene, we can took an alkyne group. अब alkyne group के साथ reaction क्या होगी वो हम देखेंगे. Let us take this alkyne group, this alkyne compound. जब इस alkyne compound को हम HX के साथ treat करेंगे तो alkyne को हम कैसे लिख सकते हैं? Alkyne can be written as in this form and HX can be written as H positive and X negative. Now H plus will go to that carbon which has negative charge and X negative will go to that carbon which has positive charge. तो हमारे पास जो न्यू कंपाउंड फॉर्म होगा वो होगा this alkene. Now again this alkene is unsaturated compound, so another HX will react with this and this alkene can be written in this form. This carbon will get negative and this will get positive charge. When HX will attack, H plus will go to that carbon which has negative charge and X negative will go to that carbon which has positive charge. So new compound will be this alkyl halide. So these are the examples of electrophilic addition reaction. अब हम न्यूक्लियोफिलिक एडिशन रिएक्शन के बारे में पढ़ेंगे. What is nucleophilic addition reaction? Nucleophilic addition reaction is a class of organic reaction which occurs when a nucleophile forms a sigma bond with an electron deficient species. अब हम न्यूक्लियोफिलिक एडिशन रिएक्शन का एक एग्जाम्पल देखेंगे. Let us take one aldehyde. When it is treated with NuE, aldehyde can be written like this format. Carbon will get positive charge and O will get negative charge because oxygen is more electronegative than carbon. Now NuE can be written as Nu negative, E positive, where Nu negative is nucleophile and E positive is electrophile. Now Nu negative will go to that carbon which has positive charge and E positive will go to the oxygen which has negative charge and the new compound will be this one. Now instead of nucleophile and electrophile we can took HBr. Let us see it by this reaction. Let us take this aldehyde group. When it is treated with HBr, aldehyde can be written in this form and HBr can be written like this, Br negative H plus. Br negative will go to the carbon which has positive charge and H plus will go to the oxygen which has negative charge. So new compound will be like this. So this is the example of nucleophilic addition reaction. So in today's lecture, I mainly discussed about electrophilic and nucleophilic addition reactions and their examples. Thank you so much.